What if I told you that these two commercials that I edited were able to bring in over $2.5 million? And what if I told you that the production budget for both of them were less than 500 bucks? Now, you yourself are a video editor. You're grinding away. You're probably editing some corporate video that goes on to earn 46 views on YouTube. And that event alone makes you question why you even got into this game, why you even became a video editor. Your career is stagnant. Your clients don't believe you when you tell them that you can make amazing videos. And frankly, they just don't care. But hang on, it doesn't have to be this way. You became a video editor because you wanted to make awesome, incredible, and creative videos that go on to generate millions and millions of dollars, right? What if I told you that you don't have to settle for a stagnant editing career? What is going on, everybody? My name is Jordan Anderson. I have over 15 years of video editing experience, and I have created videos that have gone on to generate millions. From Kickstarter indie films to $100 million startup companies, I have edited videos that have truly moved the needle. So the quick story about me, I was working as an assistant editor. I was doing this for about 5 years. I was editing mindless corporate videos. There were videos that only went on to get 46 views on YouTube 4 years later. In my mind, I thought I was making great videos, but clearly no one was watching. And by no one watching, that means my clients couldn't make money off this video, which meant that I was not delivering on the results, which meant that my clients just stopped calling altogether. So yeah. And my guess is that you too are sick of seeing your hard work go to waste on a video that falls flat. No matter what cool effect or transition you put into your video, your clients aren't happy with the results they're seeing. AKA, the video you made your clients is not making them any money. What if you knew how to edit videos that blow your clients away? What if you knew how to edit videos that earn $200,000 in a day? And what if your clients started to recognize how valuable you actually are? Well, the good news for you is this. I was finally able to figure out how to edit videos that go on to generate millions of dollars in revenue. And this turning point was so life-changing to my editing career that I figured that I'd make this information available to everyone. I've spent the last few months putting together all of my best frameworks and resources so that you can learn how to edit videos that go on to generate millions. You don't believe me? You see this chart? See this chart right here? Let's go full screen with this. You see that spike in sales? That's when my promo video was released. And I know you see that big number at the top. Here's another one. A Slack message from my boss. This ad is crushing. Go ahead, follow that link. That promo video brought in $20,000 in a single day. That's $7.3 million in a year. And guess what? The video took me less than 3 hours to edit it. And in this video, I want to show you how I did it. I want to show you how to easily and quickly edit videos in a single day that go on to generate millions of dollars in revenue, get your clients to believe and trust that you are a true video editing expert that you say you are. No more begging for work, no more begging for more creative videos. And I want to show you how to become an editing machine that goes on to produce an endless stream of videos. All right, so you see the chart, you've heard my credentials, you know my story a little bit, and now I'm starting to hear all the objections, all the, well, Jordan, I don't have this, I don't have this. Okay, here's what you don't need for something like this. You don't need a film degree, you don't need a fancy M1 MacBook, you don't need to download some special plugins or a VFX pack, you don't need a better demo reel or a better portfolio, and you don't need to be on a $100,000 production team. Introducing the $1 Million Edit. This online course is packed with tools, strategies, and resources that you need to edit $1 million promos that will blow your clients away. We will walk through the mindset of a $1 million editor, how to deal with clients, and why most editors fail. Do you know how many video editors were laid off during the pandemic? Well, how would you like to never have to worry about losing your video editing job again? Imagine being able to approach any future video client. You show them your $1 million video, and they just give you the keys to the kingdom. Imagine not even needing a demo reel for your next project. Just show your clients the receipts. No more begging for more creative videos. You become the creative visionary because now you've got the track record. Imagine being able to create $1 million promos with zero budget in less than 3 hours. I know this is sounding all official, and yes, you're watching this promo video itself, but I want you guys to know that I truly believe that every video editor out there has the capabilities of becoming a $1 million editor. And I want to make sure that you have everything that you need in order to get there. Number 1, I want to include the editor's cheat sheet. This vast library of editing resources and guides will become your secret weapon when diving into your next $1 million edit. I'll explain how to organize your files and footage, where to find the best stock footage, and so much more. I've spent the last 10 years collecting these resources, and they're all yours when you enroll in the $1 million edit. Number 2, you're going to get the video strategy checklist. Dealing with clients is tough, but it doesn't have to be. This checklist provides an easy step-by-step guide to launching your next video project. I know you're watching this video and it's probably hard to believe, but I get shy around clients. I don't want you to ever run out of things to say. We'll also show you how to speak the marketing language of your clients so that you remain an invaluable member of your team. And number 3 is our biggest bonus yet, introducing the promo project file. This is the project file that my clients have been begging for years, and now I'm giving it to you. I want you to stop wasting time creating a new video project from scratch. Use my exact project file that I use every day to create $1 million edits. And to top it all off, you get exclusive access to our private Discord server. There you'll be able to ask any questions you have about the editing process, get your videos critiqued, and get the career confidence you need to become $1 million editor. So let me do kind of a quick review of what you're about to get. All of these bonuses are included when you enroll in the $1 million edit today. You will have lifetime access to the $1 million edit, plus the editor's cheat sheet, the video strategy checklist, the promo project file, and exclusive access to our private Discord server. All of this with a total value of over $2,000. Now, instead of paying $2,000 for all of these resources, all you have to do is click the green button down below. This will take you to the checkout form, fill out the checkout form, and your student account will be automatically created. Now, most professional editors will charge $500, $1,000, even, like we just said, $2,000 for a course like this. But again, click the button down below, fill out the checkout form, and enroll today in the $1 million edit. And don't forget that you are completely protected by our 1-year, 100% money-back guarantee. That means you have an entire year to test out and implement the lessons from the $1 million edit, and anytime during that year you don't find this valuable, simply email us with the word refund, and we will refund your purchase 100%, no questions asked. Plus, you keep everything. You keep the bonuses, you keep the $1 million edit, fill out the checkout form, and enroll today in the $1 million edit. This course is your key to boosting your video editing career. I've got all my notes right here, so let's sum this all up. As part of this special offer, when you enroll in the $1 million edit, I'm gonna read everything here, follow along with me. As part of this special offer, when you enroll in the $1 million edit, you will receive lifetime access to the $1 million edit, the video editor's cheat sheet, the video strategy checklist, the promo project file, and career boosting advice on our exclusive Discord server. All of this is backed by our 1-year, 100% money-back guarantee. Okay, so before I go, I want to paint this picture of life as an editor if you don't solve this problem. Your career stagnates, your clients eventually stop calling, they will hire someone who can actually deliver, you blame everyone else but yourself, and then you become this bitter, grumpy editor watching everyone around you soar. But it doesn't have to be this way. Take action today and enroll in the $1 million edit and fight against becoming irrelevant in your clients' minds. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Okay, so you're still watching this video. Maybe you're kind of still on the fence. You're one of those, I want to think things over. Let me answer those last minute questions that you still have. Question: does this course go away after I watch it once? You will have lifetime access to this course so you can refer back to it whenever it's time to go and edit your next big promo. Is this course for advanced editors only, or do I need a film degree? This course is for editors of all skill who want to have something to show for and that want to truly move the needle with their clients. Do I need to know Adobe or Final Cut? I've been using Adobe Premiere since I was 13, but these lessons go beyond any one particular software. Oh, I've seen this question come through a lot. I'm just an assistant editor. I don't actually work on the big projects. Will this course help? Absolutely. I spent the first 6 years of my video editing career as an assistant editor, day after day, scrubbing through boring footage. I wish I had this course when I was just starting out because it would have accelerated everything. And finally, I don't have any clients. I work full-time in the corporate world. Does this course still apply? The same lessons apply. You might not think your boss or manager is a client, but trust me, they are. And like clients, when they don't see your value, they'll start looking for replacements. Okay, so you're still watching the video, so what happens next? So you've made it this far into the video. Let me tell you what's next. I've got this set of instructions right here. Click the button down below. Click that button down below. I think it's green, it's usually green. That button will take you to the checkout form. Simply fill out the checkout form like you normally would and click next. Once you click next, your student account will be created. All you have to do is create your password, and then you will have access to the $1 Million Edit. Once you're inside the $1 Million Edit course library, you'll have access to the lessons, you'll have access to all of the bonuses, and you will see your Discord invite link at the bottom inside your course library. And that's it, folks. That's all you have to do. So enroll today in the $1 Million Edit and start creating videos that blow your clients away. See you on the inside.